Hey there friends, hope everyone's doing good today. Today I am checking out this OKPRO solar street light. So I will be doing an installation of this as well. Okay friends, here we go. It is nighttime now, obviously, and it's at 10%. I just put it on the motion activation button, and here we are walking up to it, and there we are. As you can see, now my whole front yard here is nicely lit up, as well as this whole side yard here. So very, very nice. You can see how bright it is. I just put it up it's probably about 6 foot fence. It's about 12, 14 feet up there. So it's pretty good height, and I can make that with that pole the way I have it. I can make it longer if I want to. But you can see back here, plenty of light, so we can see if we need to go back to the fence here. And yeah, it just works really good. I like it a lot. You can set the remote for different sensors, but I like just the motion sensor where it's on at 10%, and then it comes on to full power after that. So I'm gonna come in this back way and show you guys how much light is at 10%, and then you can see how sensitive the trigger is though. I was quite a ways away and it just lights up right away. So really cool. All right, we'll show you from the backyard portion. Okay friends, well here is the remote. So you can turn it off if you want, just turn everything off and then turn it back on. Obviously that top button doesn't do anything. There's a motion sensor button, just hit that and it's going to be at 10% the light until it detects motion, then it goes to 100%, or you can switch to different percentage of light that you want it to be at. 2 hours, 3 hours, 5, 6, and 8 hours is what you can set it to be. Fixed brightness, so you can do like 2 hours of 100% or something like that, and then after that time, the 2 hours expires, it'll go back to the motion sensor with a 10% and then 100%. So pretty cool. The remote works nicely as well. It takes a couple AAA batteries in there, and all in all, I'm really happy with this. Working great so far. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see y'all next time.